How to upload high quality videos on TikTok. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can upload high quality videos on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to upload high quality videos on TikTok, before you upload you have to enable a certain setting. So first open up TikTok, then tap on the plus icon from the bottom, go to the upload option from the bottom right, go to videos and select the video that you want to upload. Then tap on next. Now after you make all of your edits and so on, tap on the next option again, and here under more options it says manage upload quality. So tap on more options, scroll down, and here you'll find an option that says allow high quality uploads. So all you have to do is just simply turn on this toggle that says allow high quality uploads, and then the video will get uploaded in high quality. This way you can upload high quality videos on TikTok. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.